Morning guys, it's Jeremy here from Red LBP again. So here is the follow-up video to the haunted wardrobe door that closes by itself. So the reason it's doing that is, and here's my self-leveling laser. So as you can see here, datum is 135 millimeters. So that's how high the laser line is off the floor. So 135 at the entrance door, and then we come across the haunted doors to the left-hand side. And what does it say? 120 millimeters. So that means that there's a 15 millimeter rise from there to there across 2 meters of floor in this bedroom, which is absolutely crap. Miles outside the allowable. So anyway, I don't know what they're going to do about this. Probably nothing.